I'm not sure if you got the invitation to the Andersons, their Halloween party this Friday, and it's gonna be fun. It's too bad they don't like you. Too bad you have to be the way you are, because the Andersons' Halloween party's iconic. Essentially, it's gonna be pretty lit this year. I'm not gonna lie. There's gonna be a lot of people, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. Someone's bringing one of those mini horses, and rumor has it there's gonna be midget wrestling there. So, the same. You should probably make friends with the Andersons. Probably should.